Welcome to our TriTone tutorial. We will be guiding you through the process of using TriTone for achieving a more lifted and sculpted facial appearance. Let's begin. Gather your TriTone device and the HydraPulse conductive gel. We recommend using about 1 to 2 pumps of gel for each side of your face. Apply it generously all over your jawline, cheeks, temples, and forehead. This conductive gel ensures optimal results, but you can also use other serums if you prefer. Now, you're all set to begin. To power up your TriTone, simply press and hold the button for 2 seconds until it turns on. There are 3 different strength modes to choose from, and you can switch between them by pressing the button once. Holding the TriTone in front of you, start at your lower lip and glide it upwards along your jawline, all the way to your earlobe. As you use the TriTone, you might feel a slight twitch or movement in your facial muscles. That's an indicator of the microcurrents effectively toning your muscles. Now let's focus on your cheeks. Begin from the side of your lips and glide the TriTone upwards towards the top of your ear. Moving on to your temples and forehead, start from the edge of your cheekbones and gently glide the TriTone towards your hairline. And for your forehead, start from the top of your eyebrows and glide up to the hairline. Continue this motion for the entire length of your forehead. Ensure that you repeat these steps on the other side of your face as well. We recommend performing each step around 15 times, taking a total of 5 to 10 minutes. After your session, rinse your face to remove the gel. Then, follow your usual skincare routine for a glowing, sculpted face. And that's it. With consistent TriTone use, you'll see gradual improvements in your facial contours. Remember, your TriTone auto-powers down after 5 minutes, preserving the battery. If it goes off, just turn it back on. Thank you for joining our tutorial, and we hope you love the results. Happy sculpting!